partly sunny.
The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carter County in southeast Montana, east central Powder River County in southeast Montana until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm with quarter-size hail. This storm was located 27 miles northwest of Alzada, or 29 miles southeast of Brodus, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Alzada by 4:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, and also affect motorists along Highway 212 from Alzada to near Boise. This replaces the previous warning that was in effect for this area. This storm has a history of producing large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Thursday evening for southeast Montana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Carter County, Montana.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL-23 Ontario T.